And welcome back, everybody. I'm trying to bring some more positive energy inside my vlogs. So let's see how this works out. Yes, I have positive energy, but I'm trying to express it a little more. Not gonna hold you. Not really used to expressing a lot of energy. But let's keep this interesting. Got a haircut. It probably looks fucked up, huh? I don't know. Did it myself, I swear. But yeah, I just got tired of having long hair, guys. It's annoying, especially at work when you climb into like between machines and that shit's excuse me, at least 110 degrees Fahrenheit. At least. That's without them turning the heaters off. Your shoes are practically melting to the base of the tables. So yeah, sometimes they're assholes and they don't shut the heaters off before you work on them. But let's get to the vlog. Okay, so I don't know when we're gonna move D-Wix's stuff, like this transmission I keep having to step over, which you probably realized. But this GSR, we're probably just gonna pull outside the garage door right now. I'm gonna start cleaning up this. You already know, cherry bomb, a scrubby, but we also will probably be cleaning up the cuts on Tonka with the flap disc and the grinder. And yes, there's still tools on the ground, guys. It was late. Gonna miss this when I go all motor. Miss having flames out the hood, but I got something planned. Trust me. Alright guys, so I'm gonna call it a night. Because everything I want to do, I want to flap this Tonka. I want to bring Tonka in so I get all the lighting, maybe a little bit of AC. I don't know if the AC is going to help inside the car. But Goku pretty much just needs to be redone, stripped down and everything. Complete bare shell so we could paint him, redo him, all sorts of goodies. Just like how I have goodies inside my room that's been sitting there for probably over a year for Tonka. But yeah, I will catch you guys tomorrow because we will be flap disking and it's getting late. And we are off work, guys. See the 4-piston drip? One day we will be getting a 4-piston motor. I promise you guys that. Promise you guys. But I also got pizza from Casey's. I got half a gallon of sweet tea left, but man, it's hot. It's hot. Actually, my white friend's getting me a gallon of sweet tea. Really? Really, Slayer? Really? Love you, kid. Alright, guys. So, we have our trusty Boyer. I believe that's how you say it, from Harbor Freight. Grinder, flap disc from Harbor Freight as well. And I trust the Harbor Freight stuff more than the Walmart one because we bought the cut wheels that were hard and they really suck. They just broke down so easily because whenever you use the grinder wheel, it just slowly shrink down, and we pretty much had no wheel left, just cutting the Tibby's doors. So that's useless. So I recommend, if you're going to Harbor Freight, might as well get these. They're cheap. They actually work. But we will be taking the grinder and cleaning up all these cuts. As along right here. So let's get it. Real quick, you guys see the drip though? Come on, you guys can. Okay, maybe. Hold on. You guys see the drip though? You don't need to apply pressure, just hold it in place, and you don't need to put a shit ton of pressure on it. Just let the flap disc eat by itself, as you see. Just make sure you control it, that's all you need to do. See, that's all. It's not hard, guys. It's not hard. I'm trying to show it so you guys build the confidence and help build the confidence to where you're like, I don't want to go too far. I don't want to grind it. I don't know if I put like a lot of pressure, if I do a little bit. Trust me, just start it, place it, make sure you hold it so it doesn't just shoot off somewhere. But it'll just eat right through and you'll make it nice. We'll get rid of these little burrs. But yeah, guys, it's pretty simple. We got this. Slay that shit. We pretty much got this side cleaned up. I went a little flat right here, but we can't really add metal unless I weld this seam and then grind it back down. So I guess it is what it is. But it's looking good. I am debating if I want to try to get this. I probably will just leave it. I cleaned it up so it's not sharp, but there's just a little extra piece of metal right there because this is where the seatbelt goes. So it has 2 layers of metal, but everything else is clean, guys. Let's give a quick shout out to my big bro Ghost Boy Aki. Big bro, I love you and thank you for everything you've shown me. Yes, I have previous knowledge of cars. Yes, I learned how to work on cars myself, but you made me know that I was doing it correctly, how to improve how to do it, and that I wasn't tripping. Because the way I've been wanting to paint my car and stuff like that, you did on Kobe, I was like, damn, me and this nigga think alike. Everybody was saying, why do that? You know, why? Why? What I learned was people call your ideas stupid so you don't do more than them. Because the way Aki taped off Kobe and Trap, that's what I was saying. I was like, I don't like, because if you do a different color like a baby blue, I've noticed a lot of cars to where they just paint everything on the front clip blue, and then through the bumper and on the side like where the wheel well is and stuff, it's blue, so it looks like shit. And I wanted to tape it off and do like a black and then whatever color you're doing, and yeah, just shit. But with cutting cars and stuff, Aki, thank you, big bro. I love you. I want to be able to show people this. I want to have been able to do it on Tonka because I didn't know what I was doing. I would just have to find out myself and hope I didn't fuck up. So, Aki, I love you. Love and loyalty. Trap, Vicky, all my gunners out there. We are looking good, guys. I got everything all smooth along here. This is just the way they designed the car. This is where the filler neck is. I grinded all these spot welds down, make it all nice and smooth. I didn't want to go too deep and mess it up. This is just the paint marker for whenever I was showing you guys how to cut. Everything is nice and smooth, guys. We'll pop this seal back on and probably conclude this video because I do not have anything else I would like to do, or at least for right now, because we have to order our paint. Everything else is probably just going to be clean prep and paint prep. Guess we'll see where next vlog takes us. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm pretty sure I got metal in my hair. But stay blessed, stay slaying, keep fucking gunning. Catch you guys next time.